Oh, Vivi, what are you doing?
I'm riding a skateboard.
You're riding a skateboard?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let me see.
Okay. Mom, I need to go pick that. My skateboard.
Can you pick it up and let me see it?
Mm-hmm. Look.
Oh, it's a teeny tiny one. Is it an itty bitty baby one?
Oh, skateboard wire.
Oh, I don't think I can ride it.
It's too big to wire.
I'm too big to ride it.
Oh, how I get wire?
Oh, ask Harper. Oh, you're gonna ride it? Okay.
Feet here. And then we told. Yeah. Mine do fast. Mommy. Mommy.
Yes.
So moves out. So moves out. So moves out, Mommy.
Oh, the moon's out? Yeah.
Uh-huh. The white moves out.
The white moon, yeah. At nighttime, it's a blue moon.
Mommy. We see you. Mommy.
Sunshine moon, yeah. Oh, Harper, are you reading that book?
Uh-huh. You're tiny puppies.
Oh, Snuggle Puppy?
Yeah. Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Yeah. More play drinks.
I do. Are you getting ready for your main trip?
Mommy, more play drinks.
Yeah, Harper, do you want to play trains with us?
No.
You're
I
good?
will.
Okay.
I
All done.
can. Mommy. Mommy.
Oh, are you sick?
I can't read my book. Mickey Mouse. Baby. I got squirrel.
Oh, yeah. Squirrel? Yes.
I ate an apple. What baby? What horses? Oh, what horses?
Wow.
Mommy, I'm walking with oh, this is my train. Mommy,
I do.
want to pick.
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay.
Come on, my favorite
Can you
bed.
help me find the yellow car? Is there a yellow car? Whoa. Good job. Is that the one with the doors open? Oh, that's neat. Does the other door open?
No, I'm on the.
No, just one?
It's open.
Oh, wow. I think that's Daddy's car when he was a little baby. Our little boy. Isn't that neat?
There was a pipe.
Yeah.
Mommy,
Harper, where's Daddy right now?
let's go look.
Yeah, Daddy's at work.
Mommy, you find a baby one too? Huh?
Maybe.
Mommy,
Try on the shoes. Thank you, baby.
Baby one, Mommy.
Oh, that is little baby one, Vera. Okay, I'm going to come play with you right now. Harper's having me try on. What kind of shoes are these?
Mommy.
Dodo shoes. Dorothy's shoes. Mommy's Dodo shoes.
Mommy. It's too tight. Look at my shoes.
Yeah.
Okay. Mommy, this shoe starts. It's too big.
They're too big?